Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Elevate Styles. If you don't know who I am, that means you're not subscribed with us and you need to do so now. But in the meantime, I am Treasure and I am here to review with you 2 wigs in one series, okay? So we are going to be doing Dashley. I'm going to be doing Unit 11 and Unit 12. So this one is Unit 11. This is going to be in the color of T4 613. So we have like a dark root, and we have it like ombre through it and like the whole wig, and then the bottom of it will be like a really bright brown. So this did come with a color palette so that you can see the other colors that it come with. I will be adding a link down below. This one has a side part with the baby hairs. So the product detail is on the card. How do you take care of it? How do you wash it? You know, blah 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 blah. So this is Unit 11. Unit 11 is blonde, okay, with dark roots. And I'm just gonna show you here. As you can see, the lace is really light, so if you need to adjust it, you can go ahead and tint the lace with your foundation, your concealer, or some tint spray. So this is an ear-to-ear lace. In the inside, we have 2 tuck combs, one on each side, one in the back, and the adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try this one on for you guys. So the wig does have like the feather like thing going on here. You can see that's really cute. I'm gonna pop this behind my ear. So the lace here, it is kind of light, but then again, like I told you, the lace on this one is really light. So if you want that realistic look, I would suggest that you put a little concealer that's your complexion inside of it. So this is really cute for 11. Let me just show you the length in the back. And this is great for the summer, not to mention the color, but the length, because we don't want to wear a bunch of hair and when the heat, especially no wig, okay? So this is like perfect length. So this is Unit 12, and we're going to be reviewing this in the Money Piece Blonde. Money piece. So it's going to have a bunch of different blonde colors with like some dark roots, maybe some, you know, chocolate brown in there. And this too has the color palette. Same features on this, the deep side part with the baby hairs. Product details in the back. Here's your girl. This one's Unit 11. I love that color. I love that chocolate brown. Going into that really bright blonde, and the honey blonde is also mixed into it, as you can see. The texture is like your standard synthetic wig. It's not yucky. It's not like silky, shiny with those kind of fibers, but it's like really good. As you can see, I'm running my fingers right through it. I like the little curl pattern on that. So let's just see the lace on there. The lace on this one is really good. I don't think you're gonna need anything to fix that. That blended right with my color. So it does have baby hairs that you can go ahead and adjust if you like to. Same deal, ear-to-ear lace, parting, 2 tuck combs, one on each side, one in the back, along with the adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this one. All right, this one's cute. I pushed the baby hairs back. This one's kind of cute. So I do like this one. This one's really cute. Okay, number 12. All right, look how cute that is. I like that it's dark and I still have color. Very cute for summer. And it's coming, and don't worry, we're going to have a summer even if it's only 2 months. Make it count. So here's the length on this one. Pretty much like right before your bra straps. So that's that. Let's just turn it here. You can see So we did go ahead and review Unit 11, and we reviewed Unit 12, which I'm currently wearing. So I am going to go ahead and add the link down below for both of the wigs. Like I said, they come in different colors. You can pick whatever color you want it. I chose these colors to review because those are my go-to colors. You let me know what colors you chose. If you have any pictures, upload them, any comments, questions, or concerns. feel free to let me know. So until then, I'm going to go ahead and add the link down below. It's going to take you directly over to the store and you can get your purchase started. So until next time, I am Treasure and I will see you on the next review.